Welcome to all. So today's topic, to calculate the density of a unit cell. So how to calculate the density of any unit cell? So I'll consider here cubic unit cell. So this is a cubic unit cell where all the three sides, they are equal, and also the angles alpha, beta, gamma, they are equal to 90 degree. Okay, now to calculate the density we have the formula, right? So density is equal to mass. It is mass by volume. So it is a mass of a unit cell divided by volume of a unit cell. Volume of a unit cell. So here, how to calculate the mass of unit cell? So I'll consider here a simple unit cell. What do you mean by simple or a primitive unit cell? In this type of unit cell, we have the particles only at the corners, and also in simple unit cell, the number of particle which is present per unit cell is only one. Whereas in case of BCC, there are 2 particles per unit cell, and in FCC there are 4 particles per unit cell. Right, we were studied in the previous classes. Now, since it is a simple unit cell having only 1 particle present per unit cell, so how to calculate the mass of unit cell? So in order to calculate the mass, of a unit cell, we need to calculate the mass of atoms which are present in the unit cell. Since here there is only 1 atom, if you consider any other unit cells, it may be BCC or FCC which contains more than 1 particles. So I'll write here mass of a unit cell which is equal to mass of atom. So in order to calculate the mass of overall this unit cell, we need to calculate the mass of the atoms which is present here. So mass of atom and the number of atoms present. Clear? So I'll write like this: mass of atom, it is denoted by a small letter m, into number of atoms, it is denoted by the symbol small letter z, where z stands for the number of atoms present per unit cell. Okay. Now look at this formula. Volume of the unit cell. What is the volume of the cubic unit cell? So we have volume of the unit cell which is equal to, since all the 3 sides are equal, we can write length into breadth into height, and its sides are represented by the letters A. So we can write A into A into A, that is length into breadth into height, that is A cube. Now let us substitute these terms in the above expression. We get density, which can be represented by the symbol small letter d. What is mass of a unit cell? It is equal to m into z divided by A cube, which is a volume of the unit cell. Now, where m is a mass of an atom, if you consider in this particular unit cell, if there is a sodium atom or sodium atom is present, see this is a sodium atom. So can we possible to calculate the mass of single sodium atom? Directly we cannot calculate it, because see, if it is sodium, we know the molar mass of sodium, right? It has 23 grams molar mass. We know that 1 mole of any substance or 1 mole of sodium always contains what? Avogadro number of atoms. Avogadro number of atoms. So 1 mole of sodium, nothing but 23 grams. 23 grams of sodium contains Avogadro number of atoms. What is Avogadro number? It has 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It is a constant value, right? So Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So in 23 grams of sodium, there are this much number of atoms. So to calculate mass of one atom, what we have to do? So the mass of one atom, which is equal to 23 divided by Avogadro number. Here 23, it is a molar mass. We can represent it by using a capital letter M, divided by, what is this? Avogadro number, Ne, Avogadro number. See, suppose if you have 5 apples with you, which weighs about 23 grams. The weight or 5 apples mass is 23 grams. So in order to calculate mass of one apple, how you are going to calculate? You just dividing the 23 divided by 5, right? So same way, here also 23 grams, it contains Avogadro number of atoms. So mass of one atom, let us molar mass divided by Avogadro's number. So I can substitute here density D is equal to, what is M here? M is mass of one atom, that is M is equal to molar mass by Avogadro number. So I can write like this, let us molar mass divided by Avogadro's number into Z divided by A cube. Important formula to calculate the density of a unit cell, which is given by D is equal to capital letter M, where M is molar mass. What is it? It is a number of atoms present per unit cell divided by Avogadro's number Ne, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by A cube, where A is a edge length. Clear? So based on this formula, we have number of problems to solve. I'll give one example. Dear students, write it down. X-ray diffraction studies show that copper crystallizes X-ray diffraction studies show that copper crystallizes in an FCC unit cell, with cell edge of 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. Okay. In a separate experiment, copper is determined to have a density of 8.92 gram per cm cube. Calculate the atomic mass. See, X-ray diffraction studies shows that copper crystallizes in an FCC unit cell. Here it is given the unit cell or a type of unit cell is FCC. In FCC, what is the value of Z? Look at the formula. We have Z here. What does it mean? Z is the number of particles present per unit cell. So since it is FCC, we can take the value of Z as 4. Okay. So with the cell edge of 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, it is a edge length which is represented by the symbol small letter A. In a separate experiment, it was found that copper have a density of 8.92 gram per cm cube. So before solving the problem, write the data here. So here it is given Z value, right? It is 4 because unit cell is FCC. If it is given here BCC, then we have to take the value Z as 2. If it is simple unit cell, then the value of Z is always 1. Okay. Next, cell edge. The edge length is, it is given 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Next, it is of density, the density of copper, it is small letter D is equal to 8.92 gram per cm cube. What we have to calculate? We need to calculate the atomic mass, not a molar mass. It is asked atomic mass of copper. So let us use the formula here. We have the formula to calculate the density of a unit cell. D is equal to Z into capital letter M divided by Avogadro number into A cube. So look at this formula. We have density value here and we know the value of Z, and where M is molar mass, but it is here it is asked atomic mass. So first we need to calculate the molar mass over there. What is Na? It is a constant value and A value is also given. So one thing while solving the problem, one thing you remember, see, always the unit of molar mass and edge length. If A value, see here, if the edge length is given, if the edge length A is given in centimeters, okay, then the value of molar mass, unit of molar mass must be in grams, gram per mole. Okay, if the A edge length is given in centimeters, then we need to convert molar mass to grams. If it is given in the kg, then we need to convert it to grams. Or if A value, A in the sense edge length, if A is given in meters, then we need to convert molar mass to kg per mole. Now in the problem, see the values of A and A here. It is in centimeters. So here molar mass is not there. We are calculating the molar mass. So here we have no problem at all. So let us calculate it. We have D value, Z, Na and A values. So directly we have to calculate the molar mass. So molar mass M is equal to, you can cross multiply here. So I will write like this, into A cube divided by Z. Now let us substitute the values. Let us substitute the values. What is D? Density, it is 8.92. Next, what is Na? Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. What is A value? A is 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8. Minus 8, it's a cube, A cube, right? So D 8.92 into Avogadro number into A cube divided by Z. What is the value of Z? Since it is FCC unit cell, value of Z is 4. So calculate it. So whatever the answer you will get, I'll directly write the answer. After that later you can check. Okay. So here density, or sorry, molar mass, it is found to be 63.1 gram per mole. It is molar mass. Molar mass is always represented in terms of grams per mole because edge length A is given in centimeters, so our unit of molar mass is in grams. But in the question it is asked to calculate the atomic mass. The meaning is same. One thing, the difference is that if atomic mass is asked, then the unit is different. So atomic mass is always represented in atomic mass unit, right? So I'll write atomic mass of copper, it is equal to 63.1 U. What is this U? Atomic mass unit, which is represented by unified mass. So 63.1 U is a atomic mass of copper. If it is asked to calculate the molar mass, that what is the answer? It is 63.1 gram per moles. Clear? Just note it down. So the next problem here is silver forms CCP lattice and X-ray studies of its crystals show that the edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Okay, you have to calculate the density of silver. See, here atomic mass of silver is given, that is 107.9 U. U in the sense unified mass. So first let us write the data given here. Silver forms CCP lattice. CCP in the sense it is where Z is 4 here because the lattice is CCP, and X-ray studies of its crystals shows that edge length of its unit cell. So what is the symbol used for edge length? It is small letter A, right? So A is equal to 408.6 picometer. So pico, it is 10 to the power minus 12. So I'll convert it like 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Okay, then you need to calculate the density. So symbol used here is small letter D, and atomic mass is also given. So atomic mass is equal to 107.9 U, or it is nothing but 107.9 gram per mole. That is a molar mass. So atomic mass is 107.9 unified mass. So in terms of molar mass, you can write like this, 107.9 gram per mole. Now what is our formula to calculate the density? We have density D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Avogadro number, right? So I'll write here. So D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Ne. So what we have to calculate here? We need to calculate the density. So let us write D is equal to, what is the value of Z? What is Z here? It is a number of atoms which is present per unit cell. Since the lattice is CCP here, silver forms CCP lattice in the sense the Z, the number of atoms present per unit cell is always 4. So 4 into, what is the molar mass? Molar mass is 107.9 divided by how much? A cube. What is edge length? See here, 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 meters. So before that, you need to consider here. See, I told you in the beginning that the unit of edge length, if it is in the centimeters, then the molar mass must be in grams. Or if the edge length A, if it is in meters, we need to convert the molar mass of the unit of molar mass into kg, because we know the general or SI unit of density, right? It is density is equal to mass by volume. What is mass? It is kg divided by meter cube. So here atomic or molar mass, it is in grams, edge length it is in meter. So we need to convert either edge length A meter into centimeters, or we can also convert this much grams into kgs. So now I will do the calculation here. See, I'll convert meter into a centimeter. So how to convert? We know that 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter, 10 to the power 2 centimeter, right? So here, so 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, which is equal to how much? So we can do the cross multiplication here. So you will get 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 multiplied by 10 to the power plus 2. So what is the value? 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power 2. It is 10 to the power minus 10. So I'll directly write the answer, the value of A over there. So what is, why I am converting edge length meters into centimeters? Because the unit of the density is in grams. Okay, so if it is in grams, the value of or the unit of edge length must be in centimeters. So I converted meters into a centimeters. The value is 408 into 10 to the power minus 10, right? So A cube, so 408 into 10 to the power minus 10, its cube, multiplied by Na. What is Na? It is Avogadro's number. So what is the value? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So now you can do the calculation here, isn't it? So by using calculator, do the calculation here. So 4 into 107, then divided by, so here 10 to the power minus 10 into 3 test minus 30, 10 to the power minus 30 into 10 to the power 23. You can do the calculation, I guess. So find out the answer here. So that is about a density where the unit of edge length A, molar mass is in grams, and the edge length value it is in centimeters. So whatever the answer you will get here, along with the unit you have to write here, gram per cm cube. So almost 10.6 or 5, you'll get the answer as 10.6 gram per cm cube. It is a density of the silver. Okay, that is about the problem. Now see one more problem here. Silver crystallizes in an FCC lattice. Silver crystallizes in FCC. So what is the value of Z? The number of atoms present per unit cell, it is 4, right? If the edge length of the cell is, edge length it is given, what is the symbol? Small letter A. So edge length it is 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. It is given in centimeters. And density is also given here, that is D is equal to 10.5 gram per cm cube. Calculate the atomic mass calculate the atomic mass of silver. You need to calculate the atomic mass. So it is the value of Z is there, and even the edge length and density is also given. Look at the units here. The edge length is in centimeters. What about the density? It is also in grams and centimeter cube. So no need to convert no need to do the unit conversion here. It is in centimeter and it is in grams. Okay. Either the unit of edge length, if it is in kg, if it is in meters, then the density unit will be must be in kgs. Okay. So here no need to do the conversion. So directly we can write the formula. So what is the formula to calculate the density? That is D is equal to Z into molar mass divided by A cube into Ne. But what we have to calculate here? Atomic mass. The value of density is given. So density is known, edge length is known, and even the Avogadro's constant, and the value of Z is also known. Now we need to calculate M here. So M, where M stands for what? Molar mass. So first let us calculate the molar mass. So I'll write like this. Molar mass, M is equal to here density multiplied by edge length, Avogadro's number divided by Z. Now let us substitute the values. What is the value of density? It is 10.5 into, what is the value of A, edge length? 407 into 10 to the power minus 8 cube multiplied by Ne, Avogadro's number, that is, what is the value? 6.0. So 10 point density, 10.5 into A, 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 8 cube into Avogadro's number, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by Z. What is the value of Z? It is 4. So do the calculation here. 10.5 cube of 4 cube, almost consider 4.07, approximately it is equal to 4. So it is 44, right? 4 cube. You can write like this, 64. 10 to the power minus 8 into 3. It is 10 to the power minus 24. Yes or no? Next, 6.023. I'll consider here it as 6 or 10 to the power multiplied by 10 to the power 23 divided by 4. So what is the answer? See, 10.5. See, 10 to the power minus 24 into 10 to the power 23, it is 10 to the power minus 1. So here you can do the simplification. So calculate the answer here. That is a value of molar mass. So, got the answer? So it is 96 gram per mole, molar mass, but in the question it is given calculate the atomic mass of silver. So what we have to do here is 96 unified mass. So atomic mass of silver, almost it is not exactly the same exact answer it is, you can verify it. Okay, it is 96 unified mass. Now consider this problem. An element with the molar mass. An element with the molar mass. So it is molar mass is given how much? 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2 kg per mole. Molar mass is in kg now. Forms a cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell. It is not given which type of cubic unit cell, whether it is simple, BCC or FCC, it is not given, just mentioned here that cubic unit cell with edge length A, with the edge length 405 picometer, which is equal to, what is the value of pico here? 10 to the power minus 12. So I'll write like this, 405 or 405 into 10 to the power minus 12 meters. Next, if the density is D, small letter d, which is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. What is the question? What is the nature of the cubic unit cell? You need to find out the value of Z here. If Z equal to 4, if you get the answer Z equal to 4, then it is FCC. If it is 2, that is BCC, or if it is equal to 1, then it is cubic unit cell. Now you have to identify the nature of the cubic unit cell here. Okay, now let us write the formula of density. Density is equal to Z into M, that is molar mass, divided by A cube into Ne. So now let us have a look at these two values, that is edge length, or a unit of edge length is in meters now. What about density? It is in kg. So no need to do the unit conversion here, because already density is in kg and edge length is in meters. So remember, if edge length in centimeter, if it is in centimeter, then the unit of molar mass must be in gram per mole. Okay, if edge length is given in meters, then you need to convert the molar mass to kg per mole. So here edge length is in meter and molar mass, okay, it is in kg. So now we need to do the unit conversion. So it is given molar mass is in kg, no? So and edge length is in meters. What I am doing here is I'll convert meters into centimeters. So we know that 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So what happens? It is in meters. So 405 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, which is equal to how much? Do the cross multiplication. So here 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power plus 2. It becomes 10 to the power minus 10. So directly I'll write here, see, value of Z see, we need to calculate the value of Z. So Z is equal to density multiplied by edge length into Avogadro's number divided by molar mass. Clear? What is the value of density? It is 2.7 into 10 to the power 3. A cube, edge length, it is 405 into 10 to the power minus 12, it is in meters. I have converted it to a centimeter. It becomes 10 to the power minus 10 cube. Yes or no? See here, if 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, then 405 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter is equal to how much? Do the cross multiply both the values. So we will get 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power plus 2 becomes 10 to the power minus 10. Next, Ne, that is Avogadro's constant, its value 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by molar mass 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. So now you can do the calculation. See here 2.7 gets cancels each other and 10 to the power 3, next 405 into cube 10 to the power minus 10 into 3, 36 10 to the power 23 divided by 10 to the power minus 2. Do the calculation here, simplify it. So here what is the calculate the answer? 405 3 times. So you'll get here z value 4. Okay, so if it is z equal to 4, what is the nature of the cubic unit cell? It is FCC unit cell. What do you mean by FCC? In FCC, along with the corner particles, we have the constituent particle at the centers of every 6 faces, right? So the value of z is 4 here, therefore it is FCC unit cell. Okay, so this is about the problems based on the density. Very, very important. Here you will get one question, any one question for 2 marks. Compulsory question it is. Okay.